The NorskWall system. Industrial strength, designer aesthetics, effortless organization. Install it today. Get organized for good. Hi, I'm Kent, and this is the Screwdriver Caddy for the NorskWall system. The Screwdriver Caddy is an incredibly practical accessory. Whether you put it in your workshop, garage, or somewhere else in your house, it's awesome to have your tools right where you can grab what you need. Like all Norsk components, you've got that beautiful silver Kwik-Lock flap across the full length. The Screwdriver Caddy holds a set of 6 tools, and it's made of super strong matte black powder-coated steel, no chipping or cracking. This caddy is practical, durable, and can take a beating without showing any wear. The Screwdriver Caddy from Norsk. Give your tools a happy, handy home.